Yo guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to sound like Love Blue. I made like a song, like just copying its flow and cadence, I guess. So yeah, don't expect it to sound good. Like just pay attention to the mixing and stuff. Don't pay attention to like the flow and shit, bro. Just the mixing. You're here for the presets, right? All right, let's get into it. All of my time, don't wanna die. Boy, you had to die. Don't wanna lie, don't wanna cry. Since you died, I've been enjoying life. Don't gotta see you again. Gonna say you hate me again. You try to backstab me, you was my friend. Looking ahead, I don't see you. I'm just laughing. Nobody. Okay, that's it with the beat. And now this is it with no beat. All of my time, don't wanna lie. Boy, you had to die. Don't wanna lie, don't wanna cry. Since you died, I've been enjoying life. Don't gotta save you again. Gonna say you hate me again. You try to backstab me, you was my friend. Looking ahead, I don't see you. Hiding, I'm just laughing. Nobody knows the truth. Yeah, you past tense. They can have the truth. Okay, that's it. That's it for the presets. Presets in the description, and yeah, thanks if you made it this far, and I'm gonna start dropping more. So yeah, bye.